What is it? Huh? There's female 2. Hey, girl. And female 5. Where's she at? There she is. There's the male 1. Male 2. There's female 2. I mean female 3, 4, 3. There's female 3. And female 4 is in there. Somewhere. There she is. Come here. Come here. There you are. There's female 4. There you are. There's female 5. There. Come here, girl. Female 2. Come on. You hear me? Come on. You can come this way. Growling. Come on. You cold? Come over on this blanket. It's not cold out here. Come on. They're scared the first time on concrete. And outside. Come on. Come here, boy. What you doing? Come here. Come here, girl. There she is. Come on, girl. There you go. See? Come on. Come on. Come on over here. Come on. Come on over here. There we go. Come on. It's nice and warm over here on this blanket. Come on. Come on. Hey, girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. They hear me, but they won't come. Come on. I'm going to have to move them over here. There you go. Come on. There she is. Female 3. There she is. Come here, girl. Here they all come. Come on. Come on. Come on over here. Come on over here. Yes, come on. There we go. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Come on. One of them going in the doghouse. See, I found the doghouse. That's female 2. Okay, come here. Come here. That's female 4 right there. Hey, girl. What you doing? Come on. Hey, there we go. You found me. Yes, you did. Uh-huh. Come on. You don't want to stay over here? Huh? Come on. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. You gonna huddle up with me? Come on. Come on and huddle up with me. There we go. Come on. Come on.